Hey.
Hi, we're at Super Zoo, and this is Jan. She's the owner of Bath Brush and Beyond. Okay, and Jan came in yesterday, and she got one of our free goodie bags, which had one of our trial size clams in it. And Jan, tell us, what did it do for you?
Well, I came in because I was curious. I had 9 flea bites that I got from holding the dog, and I was itching uncontrollably. And in the little goodie bag there was one of these bottles that said that it helped with itching and hot spots. I asked if I could use it on myself, and the lady that helped me said yes, that I could and that it would help. So I went home, and just for fun I sprayed it on my flea bites, and it immediately stopped the itching. And I got up this morning and I could hardly see that I even have any flea bites. I would highly recommend this product. I'm going to keep some in the house just for me.
I know we use it on a mosquito bite. Yesterday I had an irritation on my eyebrow, and I kept scratching, so I used it on myself, and it just stops the itch.
It does, and it cures it. I mean, it dried the flea bites out. I had no more oozing, no more. The swelling went down on them, everything. I'm very
Can
impressed.
you imagine how the poor dog feels? So it
Yeah.
just helps.
It does. I would highly recommend it.
All right.
Highly recommend it.
That's
to
great.
all of my clients.
All right, thank you, Jen. And you know what? Your clients and your clients' little buddies would appreciate it too.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye.